So you're going to put everything on this 2-inch stamp pad. You start out by cutting out your shapes. And I cut out more than I think that I'm going to need. So that I can fill up the cardboard with the different shapes. And for this one, I'm gonna make something with a bunch of leaves. Okay, so then I lay them out across my 2-inch cardboard piece and make adjustments accordingly. And you can make any design leaf that you would like. They do not have to be like this. You could make like an oak leaf or, you know, I don't even know, a palm leaf. Okay. This is just to give you some experience with making stamps out of foam. Next week we will do another project after we've learned how to make stamps with foam, and I'll explain more about that later. Okay, so I've decided that these are the shapes I'm going to use. So I'm peeling off the paper back, and there's a sticky side on this foam. So I'm going to stick that down. Where I need it to be. And you should make your adjustments to your shapes before you try to stick them down, because otherwise they will be difficult to cut. Okay, so that would make a really cool stamp by itself, but you can add more to the design just by pressing down on the foam. And I'm gonna add veins to my leaves by pressing down and just drawing across, because the high surfaces will print and the low surfaces will not. Okay. Okay, so that is my completed stamp. I now need a handle for it. So I'm gonna take a piece of masking tape, I don't know, a few inches long. It doesn't need to be really long, but I'm gonna fold it like that and then tape it across my piece. So you'll notice it's kind of sticking up, so I can hold on to it and stamp with that. Okay, so I have a stamp pad that I'm going to open up, and we're going to try out my stamp, and then if I need to make adjustments, I can do that. And that worked out pretty good. All right. Another way you can put ink on your stamp is to take your stamp pad and brush it across, almost like you're drawing on your stamp. Okay, so that is how you will make a leaf stamp. You're welcome to make another design as well, because I think I'm going to put enough materials in there for you to make 2 stamps, and then the next week we'll do a different stamp design and you'll make more stamps. Okay, let me know if you have questions.